Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore network ACLs and routing on AWS VPC. Full guide step by step clearly. To restore network ACLs and routing on your AWS VPC, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the VPC dashboard from the Services menu. Select the VPC associated with the network ACLs and routes you want to restore. Go to the Network ACLs section in the left menu. Identify the network ACL you wish to restore. If you don't have a backup of your ACL configurations, refer to the default settings provided by AWS. To create a new ACL, click on Create Network ACL. Name your ACL and assign it to the relevant VPC. Once created, take note of the ACL ID for later use. Next, add inbound and outbound rules based on your requirements. Click on Inbound Rules and then Edit Rules. Add the necessary rules by specifying the rule number, type, protocol, port range, and source. After adding the rules, click on Save Changes. Repeat the process for outbound rules to ensure traffic is managed correctly. Now, return to the Route Tables section in the left menu. Identify the route table associated with the subnet where you need to restore routes. If necessary, create a new route table by clicking on Create Route Table. Assign it to the appropriate VPC and give it a name. Next, select your route table and click on Routes. Click on Edit Routes to modify existing routes or add new ones. Specify the destination CIDR block and the target for each route. Once your routes are configured correctly, click Save Routes. Finally, ensure that your subnets are associated with the correct route table. Verify your changes by checking the connectivity to your resources within the VPC. With these steps completed, your network ACLs and routing on your AWS VPC should now be restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.